As Commissioner, I have to say this is a desperately sad day for Garda Síochána. Really our most deepest sympathy to the family of Kevin Flatley, to his wife Una and to his children and his extended family, including his parents. Kevin today was performing his duty as a roads policing member. He's been engaged in roads policing from 2018. He's a very professional and proficient officer. He was engaged in duty to prevent speeding, and he was involved in the detection of speeding on a road known as the R132, the old N1, as you travel north towards Balbriggan. And really regrettably, a collision takes place. He's struck by a motorbike and subsequently then dies from his injuries. And this is a terrible loss for us all, but all of us acknowledge how heavy a blow this is on his family. And I'd just like to say, Kevin has been a very faithful public servant. He has served in Garda Síochána for 25 years, and prior to serving with roads policing, he served as a community officer in the Blanchardstown area and was well known and well liked there, and indeed well known throughout the organisation. Obviously then, the investigation is ongoing, so those investigations carry on. We would be particularly interested in the movements of a large motorcycle, a Yamaha R1, it's a 1000cc motorbike, really after 12 noon today. This collision happened approximately 12:50, and we're very interested then for anyone who might have sighted this vehicle and who may have recorded dashcam footage.